going on, guys? It's 6:07 a.m. I took the positions off my phone right now. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm up $206, a little bit over $200. The reason that I decided to take that position was natural gas had a huge push up, became super overbought, overextended, was beginning to consolidate. When it began to consolidate, I took 100 shares of the inverse ETF, which is DGAS, and then if and only if, when it began to indicate signs of a downtrend for natural gas, I added more to my position size for DGAS, which now, as of right now, I'm up around $200, so not bad. I'm in with less than 50% of what I normally trade with, but natural gas has been showing signs of an uptrend. So right now, around this SMA line and this middle VWAP is where we could be finding a potential support. So I'm gonna do this, set my alerts, and then kind of go off of that. So yeah, not bad. 2:36. I'm gonna take a quick shower, and just like we did it last time, here we go. Alright, guys, it's 9:29 a.m. I'm about to go live with the Learn Plan Profit group. Yeah, let's have some fun. What's going on, everyone? It's Ricky with Learn Plan Profit. Here we go, team. So I just finished trading live with the Learn Plan Profit group. So it's 7:17. Got everyone here. And DGAS is pushing up, so I'm trying to get filled once again, but I wanted to show you guys this very quickly. I was able to make $511 during that live stream. So I went live for about almost exactly 45 minutes. So it wasn't horrible, it wasn't, the best. My goal, at least for today, is about $1,000. So hopefully within the next 30 minutes to an hour, I can hit that goal, and then I can move forward with the rest of the work that I have to do the remainder of the day. So it looks like I just got filled. Natural gas, again, just very quickly. Pushed up, became overbought, became overextended, began to sell off. One thing that we pointed out during the live stream is that the MACD, the RSI, were becoming overbought and oversold. Possibly was going to get rejected right around that middle VWAP to the SMA line. We waited for the confirmation. That's why I added more to my position size. Now we're back at the support, and we're waiting to see if this thing begins to sell off. If this thing begins to sell off, I'll add more to my position size on ticker symbol DGAS, which then means that it's going to push up. So I should be up on that. Yeah, so I'm up about $33 on the open. So what's going on, guys? I'm here with big boy Wes. Not too sure if you guys can see him, but we're going to Lake Saguaro because why?
We're gonna take some shots.
Yeah, so I know this might sound funny, but this is one thing that we're trying out, and we want to set on a weekly basis, just a day where we go once a week for 2 to 3 hours and just grab content that we can post on like social media such as Instagram, maybe some YouTube edits, and more fun type of content. I know it sounds weird, trust me, I never thought I would have the set. Yeah, I never thought I'd have the set time aside for that. But everyone, we're taking, I think, 3 or 4 cars, driving up this week to Lake Saguaro, and try to get some content. So yeah, there it goes.
Tesla.
Here we go, guys. We're back at the house. I wanted to do a very quick little outro. I didn't day trade as much as I wanted to, or as much as I could have. I saw a lot of consolidation and trading off my phone, especially trading like UGAs and DGAs. When there was so much consolidation, there was no clear indication of what was trending up, what was trending down. And I kind of want to give you a better understanding of what I mean. So like yesterday when I had my $2,200 day, you know, natural gas was selling off. There's a very clear indication that DGAs was pushing up. Great. There's a lot of just consolidation as of today, which led me to, you know, I was up $500 and I was able to lock those profits in within the first 20 minutes of trading. If you're part of the Learn Plan Profit Group, you caught it all live. But moving forward, and after I closed out that live stream and the series of things that I had to do that followed, I wasn't paying as much of attention as I should have. My position size wasn't huge. Thankfully for that, you know, DGAs did end up selling out, and because of that, I ended up having to cut losses. I went in for another position on DGAs. It just continued to sell off, and then just cut losses and focused on you know, visiting the house that I did, which is the house that I funded the $195,000 to flip, right? And then just the different things that we had to do with like the photo shoots and stuff like that. So altogether, today wasn't the best day trading. I still think I did a decent job based off of trading off of my phone, managing my risk. I still kept it under $500, which is what I said I was going to. This puts me at, you know, based off of day one being up $2,200, and then day two being down about $400, so $396. We could just round up to 400, who cares? I'm down, you know, $200, so I'm supposed to be at $1,000 profit every single day to get to my 5% or $5,000 goal with $100,000. So I'm behind about $200. I'm not very worried. I have 3 days left, and the natural gas report is on Thursday, and that tends to be my most successful day out of the week. So altogether, very happy, very thankful for how today played out. Yes, it wasn't green, but I did a good job managing my risk, and that's what I thought was most important. So really looking forward to trading tomorrow. I'm probably gonna wake up a little bit earlier to make up for the loss today and try to trade during pre-market hours. So feel free to comment down anything that you guys want. Again, if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit Group, you guys could rewatch the live stream of me trading live and making the $500 within the first 30 minutes of the market open. So feel free to check that out if you're part of the LPP group. If you guys have any questions about Learn Plan Profit, that's that first link in the description. Feel free to direct message me any questions that you might have via Discord or via Instagram. And then lastly, we do have our free group, which is TechBot Solutions. We have over 200,000 members. And if you just want to surround yourself with like-minded individuals, then again, that's an option. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I earned your thumbs up. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.